cordless robotic pool cleaner by WYBOT, and there is actual robot. First of all, and most important, no assembly required. Look at that. Look at the brushes. Amazing. There's a couple of flaps right here. Probably going to blow it out from here. Oh, that's a plug. Okay. So that's a recharging plug. Simple as that. And it just says tighten it up really good. And there's an on and off button. So the instruction says open the back right here. That's it. So let's see how it acts in the pool. We're just gonna fill it in with water. And yep, just about 30 seconds and it kicked in. The pool is somewhat clean around here. Just wanna see if it's going to get stuck on that grade or not. See how well it's going to operate. And then we're gonna put it on a much dirtier section of the pool. It's driving it so well, and I don't have to mess with the cord or anything like that. We still don't want to swim with it while it's cleaning. We want to take it out only when the pool is not used. And once it cleans up over here a little bit, we'll put it in this dirtier section. That's where all my leaves usually fall over, and I gotta clean this pool mostly. And look, it picked up a few leaves already. Wow, that's awesome. And I don't have to fight with cords or anything like that. Just recharge it. Oh no! Whoa! I actually can climb the walls too. I thought it would be flipped over. Nope, it's cleaning the wall. And that's what the pool cleaner is supposed to do. It's supposed to clean the wall. You see? And after a while, it will go back down. It's not like falling over. It kind of suctions to the wall. And then it's going to just go the other way and clean the wall. That's amazing. And sometimes on the wall there is some dirt gets stuck, so that's really good that this pool cleaner can do that. Wow. Now let's see how well it does here. It is a very powerful pump. There's a grade, it's getting over it really easily. So it does this to get itself unstuck. It just floats up. That is cool. Wow. Okay, and then as we can see, this pool is incredibly dirty. So we'll just leave it out here for a little bit, see how it does. Okay, it's been 20 minutes. Wow, what a difference. So I think I'm just gonna let it keep running over here. See how well it will do in and out. Maybe an hour or so, because it looks a lot better. Looks like it haven't got to here. That's what it was look like, and that's what it looked like now. Definitely still need more time, but it is a lot tighter in here. It's harder for this machine to kind of get around compared to like big spacious pool, you know, but it's still doing a really good job. There's a grade, so it's time to get over the grade, but it does it. And I'm glad it's like stuck on a grade, because a lot of leaves are inside the grade. They need to clean it out. They completely cleaned out. I'd rather get it out of it. Nice. And now it's cleaning the other grade slowly, and it will unstuck itself. It's just doing its thing. Float, flip up, and goes. Okay, and it's out of batteries. Looks like it just shut off. And I could see some of that dust, but yeah, it haven't been cleaned over here probably for like 2 to 3 weeks. And if I would run it every day, or maybe like twice a week, it would be completely clean. We can see the difference. Let's pull it out and let's see what it looks like now. Oh wow, look at that. Yeah, it's a good idea to just clean it more often. And I see a lot of sand in it. So it scooped up a lot of sand, not just leaves. Look at all that sand. So all I have to do is just rinse it off and keep on going, and it picks up all that sand, dust that comes from leaves, big sticks, everything. Wow, that's an amazing pool cleaner. Definitely going to keep it. And the most important, pick up all the sands and easy to clean. Stanley French press. This is so cool. So it's all awesome. And there's like a little groove for the press to lock in. Let's see. So it goes in here easy and then locks in here, and it's a really nice mesh. So yeah, none of the coffee will get through. And whoa, look at that lid. It's thick, so all I have to do is twist it to make it pour over. So it will pour over this way, or twist it to close it and nothing will pour over it. It will keep it cold or hot. So 4 hours hot and 9 hours cold, 24 hours iced. I picked out this color, copper color, beautiful. So excited, going to use it. I have a glass one, but the problem with the glass one, it will cool off really fast, or the ice will melt really fast. With this one, it will stay hot up to 4 hours, which is more than enough for the morning. 2 sun knives. This is a pry bar, super unique one. Let's see. So this is anodized titanium Pioneer EDC, very cool, stylish. There is a lanyard or keychain holder. I love that color to it. Bottle opener, and unique thing over here is a little box cutter, rope cutter. Goes into here and cut through something, and it slides back in. So yeah, very cool, very lightweight too. That's where the balance is, very balanced. And there's like a little nail puller, so we can scrape something off, or even with this, it's pretty like have a sharp point, not like a razor sharp or anything, but if I need to open tape box, I can do it easily with this little tool. I really love this machine, like grind out design with triangles in the front and the back. It's a piece of art, and there's a logo right here. Super cool. Leatherman K4. Let's open it up, see what it's all about. I really like the black one, or kind of grayish I would say, depends on the light. So first of all, there is a button, and that's what they mean by free. It is like a button lock. Very easy to open it and close it. And I can do it with 2 hands almost, or left and right hand. Very easy to lock it, unlock it. Also, there's all this tool set here. I could just pull on that. Right now it's tight to pull, but if I push on that, push on this, and they will all come out. And what we got here, like this in, we got scissors. This one side here, cool. We got it here, bottle opener, Phillips head, a punch with a mini screwdriver. This little, like in case we need to maybe sew something, like boots or something, it could be used for that. A little pry bar with like some kind of cutter. Beautiful. And again, if you have one tool, it locks in. All I have to do is open it and release it. Beautiful tool right here. Leatherman K4. Stanley pint, so 16 ounces, 40.47 liters. It will keep cold. In this case, we want it cold for 4 hours. 17 hours iced. Wow, so keep ice all day easy, and half a night. And 1 hour hot, but most likely we getting this to keep it cold. And look at that, there's a little bottle opener built in. Put it into here and it locks in right in there. So easy, and I don't have to like push on anything, just pull, it will come out. Little Stanley bottle opener, so cool. And twist, very easy.